How to enable two-step verification on Uber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on your name at the top. Then, simply select I'm not a robot. And then you'll find Security at the top. Click on Security at the top, and then click on two-step verification. Click on Get Started. Copy the code and paste it in the app in here. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Copy Key and then open any authenticator app. After you've opened the authenticator app, simply add this key and then two-step verification will be enabled. This is how to enable two-step verification on Uber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.